Let's learn how to remove a person from photo using AI for free. So let's get started. Type Firefly. Click on the first link. You need to have an account in Adobe Firefly. Click on sign in if you have an account. Continue with Google. After that, click on Adobe Firefly. This is an app we are going to use. Click it here. Here you can see image. Click it here. Then click on generative fill. Click it here. After that, we need to upload image here. Here is the image I am uploading. I want to remove this person from a photo. Here you can see brush. Here you can see increase or decrease the brush size, hardness, brush opacity. Drag the brush on a person. After that, we need to write remove human. Click on generate. Here you can see the person has been removed. Now you can simply download a picture from here. Click on download button. Here you can see the image has been downloaded. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.